The world is changing. Technology is advancing rapidly. Blockchain is revolutionizing trust and decentralization. Cardano leads this revolution, aiming for a secure, transparent future. It addresses earlier blockchain limitations. It's not just about speed or fees. Cardano builds a sustainable ecosystem, empowering individuals and communities, using technology for positive change. Smart contracts drive Cardano's vision, automating agreements, reducing fraud, opening possibilities for all. Cardano is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a platform for innovation, a movement for change, a future where technology empowers people. Smart contracts are the backbone of a decentralized future. Imagine a world where agreements are enforced automatically without the need for lawyers or courts. That's the power of smart contracts. They allow us to create trustless systems where transactions are transparent, secure, and efficient. In the realm of finance, smart contracts can revolutionize lending and borrowing. They can streamline supply chains, making them more transparent and secure. They can even transform the way we vote, ensuring fairness and preventing fraud. The possibilities are endless. Smart contracts can be used to create decentralized applications, dApps, that provide real-world solutions in various industries. From healthcare to education, from gaming to identity management, smart contracts have the potential to reshape our world. Cardano differentiates itself from other blockchain platforms through its unique approach. It utilizes a layered architecture, separating the settlement layer, which handles transactions, from the computation layer, which handles smart contracts. This separation enhances scalability and allows for independent development and upgrades, ensuring long-term sustainability. Security is paramount in the world of blockchain. Cardano takes security to the next level by employing formal verification for its smart contracts. This mathematical approach rigorously checks the code for vulnerabilities, providing a higher level of assurance than traditional testing methods. Cardano's commitment to security is unwavering. It's about protecting users' assets and building trust in the system. It's about creating a secure foundation for a decentralized future. Section 4, Plutus and Marlowe. Empowering developers on Cardano. Cardano provides developers with powerful tools to build the next generation of dApps. Plutus, Cardano's native smart contract language, offers a flexible and secure environment for creating complex applications. Its Haskell-based syntax ensures code clarity and reduces the risk of errors. For developers seeking a more accessible entry point, Cardano offers Marlowe. This domain-specific language simplifies the creation of financial contracts. Its intuitive visual interface makes it easy to design, test, and deploy secure financial instruments on the blockchain. Cardano is committed to fostering a vibrant developer community. By providing accessible tools and resources, Cardano empowers developers to innovate and build the future of decentralized applications. Section 5. Decentralized governance. Shaping the future of Cardano. Cardano is not just a technology, it's a community, it's a movement towards a more decentralized future. Central to this vision is on-chain governance. Cardano allows ADA holders to participate in the decision-making process, proposing and voting on improvements to the protocol. This decentralized approach ensures that the Cardano platform remains adaptable and responsive to the needs of its users. It fosters a sense of ownership and empowers the community to shape the future of the platform. Cardano is a living, breathing ecosystem that evolves and adapts over time. It's a testament to the power of decentralization and the collective wisdom of the community. Section 6. Real-world applications. Cardano's impact today. Cardano is a platform with real-world impact. Numerous dApps leverage Cardano to address industry challenges. From supply chain to identity verification, Cardano makes a difference. Atala Prism empowers individuals to control their data. Trace Donate brings transparency to charitable donations. Cardano creates positive change in the world. Expect more innovative applications as Cardano grows. Section 7. Cardano's future. A call to action. Cardano is more than just a blockchain platform. It's a vision for a better future. A future where technology empowers individuals, promotes transparency, and fosters a more equitable world. This vision requires the collective effort of developers, entrepreneurs, and individuals who believe in the power of decentralization. The future is being written today. The choices we make today will determine the course of tomorrow. Join the Cardano movement. Explore the possibilities of smart contracts. Contribute your skills and ideas to build a decentralized future for all. The future awaits.